There she is. Sitting in front of her last sunrise. The building helped to feed a lot of families. Here it goes. Here it goes. Oh my God. Oh my God. That seemed to go back like towards his houses. I hope it didn't, but check it out. Wasn't that amazing? Oh my God. What, Drake? Yeah. I don't know. That was so intense. People didn't even like clap or anything. It was almost scary, wasn't it?
I think we're gonna have to clean the beach off the road before.
Yeah, but I tell you what, you see that big cloud?
Telling them to go this way.
See that cloud?
Yeah.
Nothing but bad stuff in there.
I know, it's the smoke.
Yep.
Yes, anyway.
Well, that's it. It's gone.